So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Mac computer to its factory options if you want to sell your computer or give it to someone as a fresh computer. So the first thing that you will do, you will click on the Apple logo and then you will choose Restart, and then you will press Command and R and keep holding them. There you go. Now it's going to load the recovery mode of the Mac OS. So we'll just be waiting for it to finish loading. Then it is going to load the Mac OS utilities. And then we want to first erase everything in the computer. So we will click on Disk Utility and then we'll click on Continue. And now we want to go to the Mac HD and we want to erase everything. Then we'll click on Erase. Now it's going to go through the process of erasing everything on your main hard drive. That is the one that has all your data and has the operating system and has everything. So now I am cleaning it. So now it is empty and it's back to this. Now I will close the disk utility and then I will select reinstall macOS and then we'll click on continue. Now I've deleted everything on the computer, but I need to reinstall the operating system, and then we'll click on continue and then we'll click on agree and then we'll choose the hard disk that we've just cleaned and then we'll click on install. So now it's going to reinstall the operating system after cleaning completely the hard disk. So that is going to take some time. So the process of installing the operating system is completing through this as well. And you just gotta wait for it to be completed. Once it's finished, the computer is going to restart. And now it is as if it was a brand new MacBook computer. It will just take you through the very first setup of the operating system as if you've just bought it anew. So now you can just give it away or sell it or whatever. Finally, you'd want to shut down the computer so that it would open to whoever is going to take the computer. So you'll click on here and then you'll press on Command and the Q button, which will show you here to shut down the computer. You will choose shut down and then it's ready to be sold or given away to someone, and that's it.